Hi and hello to all viewers. Today's session we will see about Riverine System. We will see the key points and the previous year asked questions from this chapter and the probable question which is more important so that it will be helpful for your JRF, SRF, NET, State Fisheries exam and other fisheries exam. River. River is a linear system. Most probable question from this chapter are largest river or tributary or river and their sources or their catchment area or dam on which the river is built. We will see here some of the largest river and their tributaries. Ganga is the longest river of India and the Ganga river system is the largest riverine system in India. Godavari river is the second longest course in India. Largest peninsular river is Godavari. Largest west flowing river is Narmada. Longest perennial river in India is Kaveri. Beas is the only tributary that is confined to Indian region. Sutlej is the largest tributary of Indus. In world, the river which deposit most sediment load is first place goes to Yellow River, China. Second place goes to Ganga. Total length of river in India is 45,000 km. Around 113 river basins with catchment area of totally 3.12 million km square. The river plus the canals is having a length of 1,95,210 km. The fish production averages 1 ton per kilometer. There are 4 major divisions: major, medium and minor. Based upon the catchment area, they have divided it. Major rivers less than 2000 km square, medium rivers 2000 to 20,000 km square, minor river is greater than 20,000 km. There are 14 major rivers, 44 medium rivers, 102 minor rivers. Drainage area of medium river is 0.24 million km square. There are desert rivers in Rajasthan. For example, Loni, Machai, Rupin, Saraswati, Bana and Kagar. In the medium rivers, 17 rivers drain to Arabian Sea. There are 5 major riverine system which divides into 2 categories, such as Himalayan rivers and Peninsular river system. Under the Himalayan river system, there are 3 categories: Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus river systems. Under Peninsular river system, there are 2 categories: East Coast river system and West Coast river system. It is having 3 watersheds: Himalaya and Karakoram ranges, Vindhya and Satpura ranges, and Chotanagpur plateau, Sahyadri and Western Ghats. There are 2 zones, namely Rethrone and Potamon. Rethrone, it is the upper course of river. Potamon is a lower course of river. Rethrone is steep and torrential. Potamon is flat and slow flowing. Rethrone is narrow, Potamon is wide. Rethrone is environmentally less complex compared to Potamon. In Rethrone, 2 zones are there. One is riffles or rapids, other is pools. Riffles are steep, narrow, shallow, which has a high turbulent flow with more rough bottoms and has limited attached vegetation with low temperature and high oxygen. These zonation characteristics they might ask. Fishes present in the Rethrone and the Potamon region. Rethrone fishes are rheophilic fishes. They are mostly small in size. The fish uses 2 techniques. One is having some adaptation character to withstand current in that area, or the swimming capability, it can able to withstand the current in that area. Adaptations such as mouth suckers, chiloclinus, ventral flexion pads in astroplepers, pectoral fin spines as hooks, Glyptothorax, Mastachymbelus, longer spinous shape which it will form a twine and attach to the rocky area. Barbus and swallow have a good swimming capability to withstand in that area. Potamon zone is having low dissolved oxygen, so fishes present in that area have to tolerate it using some oscillatory respiratory organs in case of clarius or notocteris, in behavioral aspects for cypriodon, as in case of caraceous physiological. Potamon fishes have multiple spawnings, parental care. They used to migrate when the water in that area becomes dry. This is three different category of fishes present in that area. Residents, example is Cyprinus scorpion notocteris. Local migrants are Mashir, IMC, and Bagarius, salmon and trouts. Long distance migrants, this is more important. Anatromus is Indian shark. Keratromus is freshwater eel. This Anatromus and Keratromus have been asked in previous year papers. So please don't confuse it. Anatromus is Hilsa, Keratromus is eel. Catfish, Pungaceous. They migrate from river to estuary. What is the difference between local migrant and long distance migrant? Two major differences are there. Local migrants are seasonal and short distance. Long distance migrants are annual and they travel long distances. Rivers flows in two directions. One is east flowing river, other is west flowing river. East flowing river end in Bay of Bengal, west flowing river end in Arabian Sea. Most of the rivers are east flowing rivers. Some of the rivers are west flowing rivers. Examples of east flowing rivers are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Brahmani, Maitrani, Subarnirka. Examples of west flowing rivers are Narmada, Tapti and Mahi. Now we will see about riverine system. First is Ganga riverine system. Most important to remember is source of all riverine system and dams and reservoirs present in it and the catchment area. For the Ganga river system, source is Gangotri and Alaknanda. Its catchment area is 96.6 million hectare. Yellow River in China is first in depositing large amount of sediment load. Second place goes to Ganga riverine system. Ganga is the largest riverine system in India and longest river in India. Ganga. It originates as Bhagirathi. Alaknanda and Bhagirathi meet at Devprayag. There it is known as Ganga. These links are most important. Remember it. Ganga's major tributaries are Gagra, Kandak, Koshi, Ramganga, Gomti. The longest tributary of Ganga is Yamuna. Chambal, Betwa, Ken are the tributaries of Yamuna. The river Ganga is called Padma in Bangladesh. The river Brahmaputra is called Jamuna in Bangladesh. Padma and the Jamuna meet, later they form Meghna estuary and then they drain into Bay of Bengal. Major carp spawn available in Ganga river system is during May to September. Spawn sizes 8 mm, fry sizes 8 to 40 mm, fingerling sizes 40 to 100 mm. Indo-Gangetic plain is 2290 km, Ganga is 2525 km, Yamuna is 1376 km. The lower Gangetic delta is called Sundarbans. The estuarine system is 8029 km. Sundarbans area is 2340 km. There are two major barrages, Farakka barrage and Sarada barrage is in river Ganges. This is most important. In previous year question they asked like Farakka barrage is present in which river? It is present in river Ganges. Yamuna. Yamuna's origin is Yamunotri in Tekri Garhwal in Uttar Pradesh. Yamuna's major tributary are Tan, Chambal, Betwa and Ken. Tan is the largest tributary of Yamuna. Yamuna and Ganga join at Allahabad. Brahmaputra river system. Its combined length is 4023 km. Its origin is Mansarovar Tibet in Kailash range. It drains Bay of Bengal through Meghna estuary. Brahmaputra is called freshwater moving ocean. Brahmaputra's name is more important. It is called Stangpo in Tibet, Dihang Ashiang in Arunachal Pradesh. Remember this name is more important. It is having 41 tributaries 25 in north, 16 in south. Indus River System. Its origin in Tibet in northern slopes of Kailash Range. It drains in Arabian Sea. Under the Indus River System, there are 5 rivers: Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj and Beas. Origin is Verina at Kashmir. Chenab's origin is at Baralacha Pass in Lahul. 2 rivers are the Chandra and Baka. Ravi's origin is Barabanga Daulada range of Himalaya. Jhelum flows into Ularli, Srinagar. Satluj origin is at Trans-Himalayas at Rakash Lake. Beas origin is at Rohtang Pass, Beas Kund and Beas Rishi. Among these 5 tributaries of Indus, Beas is the only tributary of Indus confined to Indian region. Satluj is the largest tributary of Indus. These questions have been asked in previous years also. Satluj is comparatively polluted and river Ravi is cleaner comparatively. East Coast River System. Total length is 6,437 km. Total catchment area is 121 million hectare. West Coast total length is 3,380 km. Total catchment area is 69.6 million hectare. Largest west flowing river in India is Narmada. Godavari. It is the largest peninsular river. Third largest river in India. Godavari is called Old Ganga, Brit Ganga, Dakshin South Ganga. Its origin is Triambakeshwar in Deolali Hills in Maharashtra. Total length is 1,465 km. Its major tributaries are Manchira, Vainganga and Indravati. Vainganga has some sub-tributaries such as Penganga and Vardha. Its northern part is called as Gautami, southern part is called as Vashishta Vanidiyam. More important is reservoirs and the rivers. In the Godavari river, in Maharashtra region, Gangapur and Natsagar is there. In Andhra, Sriram Sagar, the Veleshpuram, Dummagudun is there. The Veleshpuram has replaced barrage in the year 1985. Major fisheries on this Godavari is Godavari prawn. Scientific name is Macrobrachium malcolmsoni and Labiofimbriatus. Mahanadi's origin is at Shihava Hills. It drains at Bay of Bengal. Hirakud Dam is present at Mahanadi River. Krishna River, its origin is Mahabaleshwar at south of Pune in Maharashtra. The main tributaries are Bhima and Tungabhadra. Bhima is a seasonal river, Tungabhadra is a perennial river. Reservoirs in Krishna River are Lakvali, Tungabhadra, Koina, Vanivilla Sagar, Himayat Sagar, Oshman Sagar, Hussain Sagar. Kaveri is called Dakshin Ganga. Godavari is called Dakshin South Ganga. Kaveri's origin is Brahmagiri Hills. Kaveri's northern part is called Koliru, south part is called Kaveri proper. In Kaveri River, Metu Dam, Babani Sagar Dam, Krishnaraja Sagar Dam is present. Narmada. Narmada origin at Maikala Highlands near Amakanta. Major reservoirs in Narmada are Narmada Sagar, Indra Sagar, Sardas Sarovar, Taba. Tapti's origin is at Vindhya mountain of Satpura range. Tapti's catchment area is 40,000 km. Narmada's catchment area is 94,235 km square. Narmada is a traditional boundary between North India and South India. River linking. In 19th century, Sir Arthur Cochrane was the first to propose a plan to link the rivers. Dr. K.L. Rao has given the proposal of Ganga and Kaveri link. The Garland Canal proposal by Captain Jostur. National Water Development Agency was formulated under Dr. K.L. Rao's proposal. Major aim is to interlink surplus basin by means of deficit basin. There are 2 components under it. One is Himalayan component, other one is peninsular component. More important under it is Himalayan component. Transfer area is 33 kilometers square through 16 river links are there. As in Peninsula River component, there are 14 river links and the transfer volume is 141 kilometer cube. Gap, which means Ganga Action Plan. Gap 1 was established in 1985. Gap 2 during 1993 to 1995. NRCP is National River Cleaning Program. NRLP is National River Linking Project. Here most important is in some of previous year question they have asked like how many rivers are present in the National River Linking Project. Rivers answer is 37. River link the answer is 30. Just having a storage structure of 3000 to transfer 174 kilometer cube of water through canal network of 14,900 kilometer. Here the most important things to remember is 30 river link, 37 rivers. Gap 1 and 2 their years. This is more important. These have been asked in some previous year. Which is the cleanest river in the Indus? Comparatively it is Ravi. Which river has more pollution load? Comparatively it is Sutlej. And Interstate Dam is most important. They have asked once questions like what is the interstate dams among it? Correct option among that is Ukai. It is a major dam between Gujarat and Maharashtra. Godavari riverine waters are alkaline in nature.